Obaseki don appoint Osaigbovo Iyoha as Chief of Staff. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don appoint Honorable Iyoha Osaigbovo Tony as im Chief of Staff. Honorable Iyoha Osaigbovo Tony, wey bin serve as di immediate special adviser to di governor on political matters Edo South, na former member of di Edo State House of Assembly wia e represent Oredo East constituency from 2015 to 2019 as Chief Whip. Honorable Iyoha Osaigbovo Tony, wey dem born on the 6th of July 1973, get bachelor's degree for mechanical engineering from Ambrose Ali University, formerly Edo State University. He come still get Masters of Engineering degree for industrial engineering from the University of Benin, Uniben. Im go soon conclude im PhD for industrial engineering from Uniben, and im still be member of the Nigerian Society of Engineers. Honorable Iyoha na resourceful and result-oriented professional with 18 years work experience for Nigerian public and private sector. Im still get experience for construction, legislation, public service and industrial engineering. Secretary to the State Government, Osarodion Ogie Esquire, for im statement say the appointment take immediate effect. Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the koko for today. My name na Ozegbe Cynthia from Benin.